Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patron. So guys, this video is really cute and really interesting. The collection which I shared in this video is really cute for your little girl. These are crochet dolls. You can make these little cute dolls at your home with your crochet. These dolls are really amazing. You can see the patterns and designs are amazing. Their dresses, their face, everything is looking perfectly beautiful. There are so many mixture of patterns for making these cute little dolls, you can say. As you're saying, watching, these dolls are really amazing and really an artistic piece. You can watch the designs and colors are really amazing. I think you're liking it. I hope you're just going to make these dolls for your little one and going to make these little cute dolls for just giving gifts to your loved ones. As you can see, all the dolls are really colorful and cute with their outfit and accessories. As these dolls are really amazing to just give a beautiful gift to your loved ones. You can see this is how you make face of a doll. You can get all the ideas in this video, and this is how we make the hair of a doll. These dolls are really amazing and really cute. This is the full body. This is how you can make the full doll with crochet. Dolls are really amazing, and every girl want to have different kind of dolls at their home. So you can make now your daughter's doll for her at home. Don't need to buy expensive dolls from the market. These are really economical and beautiful. You can make them at home very easily. As you're watching, all the dolls are really amazing. Full collection is really cute and eye-catching. Guys, if you are new on my channel, just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I bring more ideas about crochet art, you get the notification and you just take your ideas from my videos to make your beautiful project of crochet. These all are really cute and different from each one. These little cute babies looking amazing and artistic piece. These dolls can make your child happy and make their room lively when you are going to place these beautiful dolls as at their siders. Guys, you can see the dolls are really amazing and beautiful and really interesting thing to make with crochet. I hope you liking and enjoying the collection, and I hope you liking the all content which I share on my channel. If you like them, please let me know in the comment. Give me your feedback. Tell me what else you want to watch, what else you want to know about the crochet art. I will make more videos accordingly. And please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I bring more information, more ideas for you about the crochet, you get the notification and you just watch the videos timely. As you can see, all the design are cute and really amazing, beautiful. Guys, if you want to just watch more ideas, stick to my channel, wait for my next video. I'll be posting more beautiful ideas about crochet patterns. Till then, just stay blessed. Thank you.